Want to give your Telegram app a fresh look? You can easily customize the app icon to match your style. Here's how to do it. Start by opening the Telegram app on your device. Once you're on the main screen, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. From here, find and tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select Chat Settings. Keep scrolling until you reach the App Icon section. Here, you'll see multiple icon options to choose from. If you're using the default icon, you can switch to options like Aqua, Vintage, or other available styles. Some icons are exclusive to Telegram Premium subscribers, so if you have a subscription, you'll have even more choices. Simply tap on the icon you prefer, and Telegram will apply the change instantly. If the app logs you out, just sign back in to continue using Telegram with your new icon. Enjoy your custom Telegram look. If this tutorial was helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.